All right, guys, we got "Break Up in the End" by Cole Swindell today. So, first thing you guys need to do is tune your guitar up to E, put your capo on the first fret, and listen to what I got to say. So, the chords that you're going to need to know for this song is going to be a C, G, F, and then that's going to be in the verses and the intro. You're also going to need to know the same chords I just went over, along with an A minor when you're playing the chorus. So, all right, this song's got a finger picking style, and it's not the easiest to get a hang of at the first, but it's something you're gonna have to work on and listen to. Basically, the whole song's finger picked. Now the intro, you're gonna start. You got that kind of little walk up, so you're gonna play open. Then I like to hammer on my middle finger too, as well, on that G string, or on the D string, sorry. And this is what the intro sounds like. Then it goes into that first verse. So there's a couple ways you guys could finger pick it. You could use your fingers with no pick. You could use thumb pick on your thumb. You could use finger picks on all of your fingers. And you could use a guitar pick. So it's whatever's most comfortable with you. And if you're first learning how to finger pick a song or something, and this is your first one, I would definitely recommend trying a lot of different things and see what feels comfortable. All right, guys, so the verse is going to basically be the same thing as the intro, but it's going to repeat 4 times. So let's hear it. Now we're going to go into the chorus. That's going to start on A minor. So, and just to go over the picking part again, you're going to have to kind of follow along with the close-ups and what I'm doing. But for the most part, I'm picking all my roots with the pick myself. And I'm really kind of just relying on my middle finger and my ring finger to do all the finger picking. Like, and you got a couple of them double stops in there too, so the chorus is going to be a little more it's going to be kind of like quicker paced. So I guess what I'm trying to say is it's going to be more so like more finger picking rather than if you were to go into that F and just rest. So you're going to want to go A minor, C, F, C, G. you're going to repeat that 3 times. So here it is. All right, so that's the chorus, and you guys are looking at another verse right here. This verse is actually shorter, so it's only going to repeat twice. And then you got another chorus, and it's going to be the same structure, and then you're going to go ahead and end on that last verse. So you guys should definitely check out these chords that we have. They're going to be attached to the actual YouTube in the description, so you guys could check those out there. The other thing I should have mentioned earlier, but if you're having trouble with that F, you don't have to come in right away and bar it. It's gonna be, and then I just go open and then first finger on that first fret. So I think that's it for you guys. Please comment and subscribe.